his might. One little lion in the sun, roaring, playing, having fun. Dumpsy paws and fluffy tail, running fast on the jungle trail. Two little lions love to run, chasing butterflies, oh what fun. Leaping high and rolling free, happy as can be. Three little lions play and spin, twirling round with a happy grin. Pouncing, bouncing in the air, spreading joy everywhere. Four little lions in the trees, climbing high with wobbly knees. Sliding down the rainbow vine, giggling as they shine. Five little lions love to race, zooming fast in a happy chase. Jumping over fluffy clouds, roaring big and proud. Six little lions in the grass, tumbling, rolling, oh so fast. Spinning, flipping, around they go, laughing in the golden glow. Seven little lions on a swing, flying high while they sing. Up and down, side to side, holding tight for a bouncy ride. Eight little lions stomp the ground, dancing round and round and round. Clap your paws, tap your feet, feel the jungle's happy beat. Nine little lions chase the sun, bouncing high, having fun. Through the trees and in the sky, roaring big as they fly by. 10 little lions roar so loud, jumping up, feeling proud. 1 to 10 we count and play, singing, laughing all the way. Say happy goodbye. Now we know counting makes us learn and grow. Time to wave and say goodbye. See you soon, so don't be shy.
Thanks for watching!